And I'm very impressed with the way a few newspapers have been putting it. I've not been able to find the paper now. But anyway, I'll make a reference of it in between. But how do you look at the developments that have taken place in the BJP camp?
No, if you see the last 5 days of BJP, right, from Goa to Delhi,
yes,
the discussions, the issues have been shifted from Goa to Delhi. Though it appears to be that everything is quite all right now in BJP, but I think it is the beginning of the new crisis which BJP is going to face. The problem, after seeing the yesterday's press conference of the president of the party, Rajnath Singh, nothing was clear. Advani resigned on certain issues. Were those issues addressed? Nobody knew. Even he was not in a position to answer face the journalists there. The body language was such that they just wanted to get rid of it, just saying that Advani has withdrawn. Now there are two theories going on. Everybody tried to convince Advani to take back his resignation, and the parliamentary board passed the resolution, but he was adamant. So next day morning, Jaitley from Modi camp leaves for London, Rajnath Singh ji leaves for Rajasthan, Amit Shah leaves for Lucknow, Joshi ji, another senior man, leaves for his constituency. So it was an indication for Advani, if you are not going to honor our resolution, then you were resignation may be accepted. Then the other camp started firefighting. So they approached Nagpur ultimately. And Nitin Gadkari margdarshan chahiye. Now in Delhi, you say we need a netrutva of Advani, leadership of Advani.
Right.
In Goa, you talk of. So it's a more confusion to the cadre.
Right.
And the Advani camp says there's an underhand dealing,
right,
that they have accepted the Advani's demand that he will not be made retired. Nobody will talk of his retirement. He will play an active role. The Prime Minister's candidate will be decided in his consultation. But now these are all rumors. No, there is no proof for that. The only thing is that Advani has taken back his resignation. But now I am waiting for another Advani's blog, which will give clear indication as to what really has happened.
You know, now I was talking about a few headlines. The Pure Politics, the page in Economic Times, says King Lear ends as comedy. Modi remains firmly in the preeminent position accorded to him at the Goa convention. The Asian Age says Modi is star in Advani drama. Well, people and RSS brokers, Advani Rajnath truce. Well, this is how newspapers have really.
If you go by the press conference, Modi has won, Advani has lost. But if you take the rumors in consideration, just giving a rope to the grand old man of the BJP, then he says there are not many compromises have taken place. But again, for that we'll have to wait for the Advani's blog, what exactly position he takes. In one of the demands Advani put was that there should be minimum interference of Sangh, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh in BJP. But the irony is that to solve his own crisis, he has to fall back on Sangh. So it's something messy.
But there is this dissatisfaction towards the new, maybe the newer faces that the BJP is now adopting, which is very evident in Advani's take.
If you see another reports in the newspapers, what Advani is being doing, he has sidelined Balraj Modak, he has sidelined Nanaji Deshmukh. So it's politics.
This is perhaps also going to complicate the situation, which Congress,
5 days, Congress was really enjoying the infights of BJP.
Right.
So they were just again, number of times I say the arrogance of his Congress is always because of the poor show by BJP. And the BJP, when it was a lot of incumbency factories there, other factors, corruption factors are there, so many factors are there, it was a time for them to really act in this thing. But now what has happened is the recent CBI's charge sheet against Jindal has again put Congress into a difficult slot. The problem with Congress is that they are fighting against corruption, but there are charges on Congress for promotion of corruption. Now here the needle of suspicion goes on the Prime Minister. Jindal is supposed to have paid what the CBI says more than 2 crore rupees to one of the ministers who was Minister of State. He was not independent charge. And he was working under the Prime Minister. Now, the payment was done in lieu of transferring the share of the company. Now that we'll have to see the legality of it. But one thing is sure for, Jindal's got the coal blocks by paying, by favoring, giving some favors to the minister.
Right.
But that thing, one thing is very clear. Now Jindal is booked, how the case goes. But as for the Congress previous examples, now whether they take the resignation of Jindal, they ask Jindal to resign, or they disassociate themselves from Jindal, that we'll have
That's
to
something
see.
we'll have to certainly
Another thing is that
wait
we'll have
to
to
see.
also watch the fight between Jindal and one of the television channels,
Right.
which was a talk of the town
That's
a
right.
month ago.
Yeah.